second floor. No need nang magpalagay ng partitions dahil fully finished na tayo dito. For bedroom number 1, perfect for kids' room or small office. Bedroom number 2, spacious enough para sa double bed or loft-type layout. And ang master's bedroom, pinakamalaki sa tatlo, may malaking bintana na rin at pwede pa kayong mag-expand sa harap kung gusto nyong lagyan ng balcony. Imagine all of this fully finished. So kung gusto mong makita ito in person, message me now and I'll send you the full details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating channel.
Sa tiwala